يا أيها الذين آمنوا اذكروا الله ذكرا كثيرا. قال ابن عباس: لم يفرض الله تعالى فريضة إلا جعل لها حدا معلوما ثم عذر أهلها في حال العذر. أما الذكر فإنه لم يجعل له حدا ينتهى إليه، ولم يعذر أحدا في تركه إلا مغلوبا على عقله، وأمرهم به في كل الأحوال. According to Tafsir Baghawi, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "O you who believe, remember Allah often, as much as possible. Dhikran kasir." According to the ayah, Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu has commentated that Allah did not impose any restriction to this fard and obligation. It is unlimited. He has not limited or imposed and without making a limit for it, that it has to be done in that capacity or in a certain place. Rather, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has excused people in the event of who is lost his sanity, who is not well and cannot remember Allah. Nobody is excused for leaving the dhikr of Allah, the remembrance of Allah, except that he has lost his mind and Allah commanded them to do it. The dhikr in all cases, Allah says, فَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ قِيَامًا وَقُعُودًا وَعَلَى جُنُوبِكُمْ في البر والبحر بالليل والنهار الصحة والسقم والسر والعلانية. That remember Allah standing, sitting on your sides as well, when you're lying down at home as well, when you're resting as well. Remember Allah a lot by night and by day, in land and also in the sea, whilst you're healthy and you're not, when you're unwell as well, and in secret and openly remember Allah. According to Mujahid rahimahullah, he says, Zikrul Kasir Allah tansahu abada. What does the mean? What's the meaning of Zikrul Kasir? A lot of remembrance of Allah is that you do not forget Allah ever. This is the zikr, the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.